For a lot of business owners, marketing can feel pretty complicated. You have a lot of options, and it makes it really easy to waste time and money on marketing. Let me take you through a seamless process to clarify your marketing message and then create the rest of your marketing essentials checklist so you can generate more leads and grow your business. Holly Fisher here with Fisher Creative Marketing. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Monday Marketing Minute. Today I have a little bit of a homework challenge for you. I want you to take a look at the header of your website. So the very first thing that people are seeing when they land on your website. And I want you to determine, does your website header pass the Grunt test? And what I mean by that is, could a caveman grunt out what your business is all about in just a few seconds of looking at your website? We need to make sure that our website header passes the Grunt test. And here are the three things that you need to look for. Have you clearly explained exactly what you do, right? Very specifically. Do you offer some sort of group coaching program, financial services, health coaching, and fitness program? What is it that you offer? Okay, very specific. The second thing is, have you explained how your customers or clients are going to benefit from working with you? What is that success or transformation that they are going to experience? And then the third thing is, how can they work with you? How can they get this thing that you offer? And that is going to be your direct call to action button. Buy now, shop now, book an appointment, schedule a demo, right? Very, very specific. How can they work with you? So I want you to take a look at your own website header. Remember, people are going to land on your website and you have maybe 5 to 7 seconds to capture their attention. If they don't understand exactly what you do, how you can help them, and how they can work with you, off they go, right? They're back to their Google search looking for another business that maybe isn't even as good as yours, but is simply more clear in their marketing message. So that's your homework. Can your website pass the Grunt test? A really great thing to do is take your website and show it to someone that really doesn't know anything about your business, right? Maybe somebody you've just met, or someone that just does not know anything about what you do. And have them take a look at that header of your website and explain what you do. If they can't do it, your website does not pass the Grunt test and you need to make some changes. So there's your homework assignment for today. Take a look at your website. Do you clearly explain what you offer? Do you clearly explain how customers are going to benefit? And do you have a call to action button that lets them know exactly how they can work with you? Thanks so much for joining me for this episode of Monday Marketing Minute. I look forward to sharing even more ways that you can fuel your marketing.